I'm Ryota Igarashi. I'm working for KROSAKI HARIMA Corporation as a manager of overseas sales and marketing department.
What is the importance of refractory industry?
Best of our living and goods we use in our daily lives won't exist without refractories. Take anything, for example, steel being made for making enormous bridges, cars or buses we travel in, and even the cookware we eat in is made up of steel or glass, etc., which would have never been possible without refractories.
I'm Yuji Yamaguchi, working for KROSAKI HARIMA Corporation as a manager of overseas business planning department.
What are the most important topics to address in the refractories industry?
First of all, I believe that it is important to advance SDGs initiatives ahead of other countries. We, the refractory industry, and our major customers, the steel industry, are receiving a lot of public attention in the wave of decarbonization. This is because the refractory and steel industries do not have a clean image of the environment. It is necessary to change the current image by replacing the raw materials of refractories with those with low environmental impact, and by further promoting the recycling of refractories and reducing waste. By taking the initiative in these activities, it is expected that the refractory industry, which has not received much attention in the past, will gain further public recognition.
Hi, my name is Rohit Narang, working for KROSAKI HARIMA Corporation for 11 years now as a sales and business development manager. Well, I'm from India and based in Japan currently. Yes.
What are the most important challenges you think would be there in future of refractory industry?
Well, providing and developing environmental-friendly refractories that restrict carbon emission should be the basis of sustainability of this industry, considering the climate change crisis. Limiting greenhouse emissions, saving natural resources by providing recycled material usage, and also focusing on supply chain strategies will be some of the biggest challenges of our industry in coming years. Also, I think refractories industry has been still heavily dependent on iron and steel sector, decline of which causes decline and growth of refractories industries as well. This may pose a huge challenge to our refractories industry in terms of, again, sustainability in coming years.